folks, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. Yeah, I've been on hiatus for a while. I'm back for a few shows. It's really when I feel up to it, when I feel better. But I do know, and I can tell you after this week's episode, there will be an additional 3 episodes. We have something special for you in a week from today. All right. So what are we doing today? We are getting ready. Well, by the time you see this video, Thanksgiving is going to be over. But got a special shout out thanks to Linda's Pantry. Kelly went into a contest, I don't know what, 3-4 weeks ago.
Oh no, it was in the summer.
Summer, whatever. Mm-hmm. And one of the prizes was a poultry brine. We've never done this before. So I thought we would showcase, on behalf of Linda's Pantry, her poultry brine. So we'll tell you what all the ingredients are with that. And I believe in the link in the description, we're going to point you towards her, what, channel?
Yeah, her channel.
Her webpage, yeah, towards Linda's, to her YouTube. Shout out to Linda. So what are we doing? We are going to be brining our turkey. So basically, 24 hours before you cook it, put it in the brine. So what does the brine consist of? It is a pack of a half cup brown sugar, kosher salt, half a cup, dried or onion powder, half a cup, dried orange peel, about 1 tablespoon, dried garlic, 1 tablespoon, 46 bay leaves, peppercorn, 1 teaspoon, poultry seasoning, tablespoon, and thyme. I got lots of thyme. Sorry. 1 tablespoon.
So funny, I forgot to laugh, didn't we, bro?
So in this brine, we are going to mix 4 quarts of liquid, which in Canadian is 3.78 liters. And just so everybody knows. We're going to be adding about 2 water and about 2 liters of orange juice. Well, we got about 1.5 liters, but we'll top it all up. You can also use apple juice instead of orange juice. We chose orange juice, just to say hey.
I think apple cider would be good too.
Yeah. Yeah. And some ice. Keep it cold or something because the fridge isn't cold enough. So and ice. So what I'm gonna do? I'm going to add my first liter or quart of water. I think we're going to be doing it here. Yeah.
Just keep going.
No, I am going to keep going, but we're going to do it here because come around, have a look. But time I only get 4 liters of water in there, it's not going to cover the turkey. So I think if you do it here, although it may overflow. I don't know. Well,
I know it'll overflow. That's why I'm saying listen to me and do what you're told.
No, I don't listen to you. It's my channel, not yours.
No, it's my channel.
Well, it's your channel, my show. I don't think it's going to cover the turkey.
So you're just gonna.
Yeah, but I don't want to add
with
too
the
much water.
no, but with the ice, it'll bring it up too.
Yes, but I don't want to dilute the mix.
This was my mom's canning pot.
Alright, I'm gonna mix the brine in.
It came in a really nice jar, but I wanted to be able to send her back her jar, so I put it in jars.
Smells like stuffing.
It has poultry seasoning in it.
Yeah. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do it breast side down. There.
Then all your ice, and
Ice.
it'll be good.
Well, it's not gonna bring it up, but we're hitting about half right now.
And then show you. Yum, yum, yum. You can always rotate the turkey too, though.
Yeah. Well, it's not as it's not as important for the bottom.
But you can rotate.
Yeah. Okay. This is gonna get loud.
He did that. There was a hole in the top of the bag and it went flying. Brody, you
open
want
that?
some ice? No. It probably just ripped when you put it in the freezer.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I got ice everywhere.
Go get some ice,
Okay.
Brody.
That is it. Stay tuned for when we take this out of the oven and actually try it for Thanksgiving tomorrow with our special guest. We got Len and Dorothy who's going to be eating with us.
Yep.
Okay, we'll see you soon. And we're back 24 hours later, as I promised. First thing we're going to do is get the stuffing ready. Kelly was nice enough and prepared the bread, the celery, and carrots and onions. So I mean, it's individually up to what you want to put in. I've seen people put cranberries in, all different kind of stuffing, whatever traditionally you like. I'm just gonna add our sage. Some people use poultry season. Now, for me, the trick with sage is just kind of mixing it all in and kind of just looking at the color of the bread, because you don't want to put too much in. And kind of the smell as well, you can really tell. But you don't want to put too less either, because then it's not
Too little.
or what did I say?
Too less.
Too less, too little. Yeah. Okay. I think that's probably right around the perfect amount. I have an itch. Why is it every time I start filming, I got an itchy nose?
Well, now you can wash your hands again.
Because some of it's probably from the sage.
Yep.
I don't know why. Every time, but I get a bloody itch. It's just like being on parade in the military.
Yep.
You're all fine and everything. You get out, you get all lined up. You're standing at attention, and all of a sudden you got an itch like crazy. It's always the nose.
Yep.
Oh yeah. So we had. Yeah, camera kicked out. Something to do with the file. And I'm using the new camera, and I don't have actually a good quality SD card in it. So, okay. Dressing's ready. Now you just got to pull the turkey out of this brine. You let it sit, like I said, for.
Smell good.
Yeah, it does actually. Yep. Okay. Now we're just gonna stuff our turkey. Yeah, depending on the size of the turkey, depending on how many people are having, like we just did one loaf of bread.
I didn't even do the full loaf.
Oh no? Okay.
No, there's, I don't know, half dozen slices left.
Yeah. Because it's not a lot of us here, so.
There's only 4 of us. So.
Yeah. Now, like I said, all depending on how you do this. One thing my mom taught me, you want to pack it in fairly good, because the juices from the turkey will get absorbed by the bread, and it'll also help keep stuffing moist. Because if you pack it way too loose, it'll overcook. Now, obviously, the outside that's closest to the butt of the turkey, it's going to dry out a little bit.
I like it crispy, actually.
Yeah.
I always take that end piece. What do you have the oven at?
350. Yep. 350, and I just let it go. This turkey, if I put it at 130, probably by 4 o'clock, it's going to be ready. It's about a 10-pound turkey. It's about not quite 5 kilograms. It's about 4.4. So, and my mom always taught me, you can get the instructions off the internet, however you want to do it, or you want to guess, but it's about a half an hour per kilogram, around there. Depending what what you have your oven set up. Everybody does it different, so.
Some people put butter underneath the skin.
Yeah, some people butter in it. We don't. We're just very typical.
Just regular.
Yeah. Now the brine is
our new thing. Yeah,
new
I'm pretty excited to try it
for this year. Yeah.
And we had a friend that used to wrap her turkey in bacon.
So
Shanna did that.
Yeah. So our next door neighbor did that. Tammy did that. Yeah. She did bacon wrap. Yeah. Hey.
No, it was Shannon.
No.
Oh, Tammy
our next
did it
door
too?
neighbor.
Oh, Tammy did it too?
Just did it yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah. See what I got to put up with, folks?
Well, Shannon was our neighbor too.
I know. So was Tammy. Yeah. Tammy did a bacon wrap turkey.
Huh.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll try that next year.
Oh yeah. Now it's all nice stuffed in. So it's kind of hard to believe. Here we are, 12th of October, because it's Monday here right now, and we're having our dinner. I said to Kelly the other day, just think in a month we'll be thinking about decorating for Christmas. She told me to shut up. But that is the reality. It's like we were just in summer not long ago, and damn, we are out. We've been very lucky though with the weather we've been getting.
Alberta has snow.
Yeah. Hey, this is the turkey. It's going in the oven. When I bring it out, I will bring you back when it's ready to carve.
Nice butt.
Thanks. Let me guess, you've already started.
Yeah, you're on camera.
Huh?
Yeah, you're on camera.
Yeah. Okay. So this is... Alright, we're ready to carve it.
It's half falling apart anyway.
Well, it is. That's okay.
Oh, it does. Oh, it's so juicy.
Whoops.
It's hard to carve. It's just falling apart.
Because it's got
It's just falling apart.
some bones. The other thing too is I normally put it on a different plate, but
Yeah. Look at that. All right. You gonna bring it back when we taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you're gonna taste this turkey.
Okay. That's good. I don't. So to be honest, I would actually have to have a turkey
Without.
without and turkey in to really compare because
No, you know what I find different?
it is.
It's moisture.
It's moist.
Yeah,
it
it's
is.
moisture. Yeah.
Yep. Do you find it? Even the white meat is very moist.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. It's very, very moist.
Yeah.
That's what I like about it.
So.
Yep.
So that's it. That's this week. Sorry, you need to choke on it. That's this week. Cooking with Kevin. Sorry you hear Brody in the background, but we have company. Gotta lock him up. Anyways, take care. Like I said, I got 3 special shows coming up. I don't want to give it really away, so. Right? See you next week.